In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in Cakewalk. So there's actually two or more things that could go wrong here and could be causing the no sound issue. So let me show you how to get your sound back right now in just a few seconds. So the first thing you can do is go to the top left and click on Edit, and you want to go to Preferences. You could also press P on your keyboard and it's going to open up your preferences. Now the most common issue when it comes to not hearing sound or having no sound in Cakewalk is your driver settings. So you want to go to playback and recording, and from here you want to make sure that the driver mode is correct. So the first thing you should try is go over here and change it from whatever you have now. So if you have something like Windows or any of these, make it, for example, like this Wasapi shared or maybe even Wasapi exclusive over here. And of course, if you use like Wasapi shared, it's going to use your regular computer speakers or headphones, or you could use ASIO if you have a dedicated external audio interface, okay? So that's the very first thing you have to do. In my case, Wasapi shared over here is working perfectly and I can hear the audio. Then when it comes to your output, you want to then go to over here where it says devices, and you want to make sure your speakers are connected. If they are, you want to click on the check mark next to it, and then you want to go to driver settings over here, and you want to make sure everything is good in here as well, okay? So you want to make sure everything is correct over here when it comes to, of course, drivers and sample rate as well. So you're using the correct sample rate, etc. If you are not, that may also be causing no sound in Cakewalk, okay? But this one is the most important, that you use the correct speakers. Now, when you've done this, that's going to be the first thing you can check. But of course, if there's still no sound and you're hearing no audio inside here, what you want to do is just change your speakers. So in my case over here, if I play this, you'll hear that I actually hear nothing. That's my voice being recorded over here for the purpose of this tutorial, but of course you can't hear anything, and that's because everything is correct. My drivers and everything are set correctly. However, this output over here in my track is actually not set correctly. So what you have to do here is just go to O over here, the output, and you want to go and change this. So if you actually have like any bus over here or you have some routings, you may actually experience issues. So you want to go and change it to your own speakers, okay? So in my case over here, there are these speakers over here. And of course, if I go ahead and change the correct one, I can now play this. And of course, I'll be able to hear my audio. Now, I do have audio muted in my recording. That's why you can't actually hear it, but the audio is working. Now, you could also go to the bottom left over here and you could go to something like speakers, and you want to make sure your correct speakers are selected over here. Now, if you can't see them, you could also go to select track outputs, and you want to go and select your audio output over here and then click on OK, and that's also going to fix your issue as well, okay, if it didn't work before. So that's how to fix no sound in Cakewalk. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.